Trail cameras. We're going to show you what this camera's about, set it up, demonstrate. From DEATTI, 2K, from DEATTI 2.7K 4G LTE trail cam model F11. You get your solar panel, enough cable, everything nicely packaged, straps to go around the tree, tripod stand, USB-C compliance cable, a screwdriver, a template for wall mount, tree mounts, and more, and the actual camouflage trail cam in a nice wrapping. Please remember to peel all film off the lenses. Installation by the bench. We're going to mount the tripod for the solar panel. Loosening up the socket and placing on and screwing down and tightening up for the sun. On the back of the unit, 1/4 20 thread holes, strap area to strap on a tree. Your tree strap with a clip that locks into place. 2 tripod areas, 4 holes, strap it through area. The silicone door that exposes the SDXC card and SIM card. The on and off and reset button. A 64 gig card is included. On the bottom of the door is a slide-through USB-C door with the microphone behind the silicone. Plug in, adjust with an optional tripod stand. We have the antenna, sensor, and camera and infrared. Turning on the unit is simply hitting the on and off button. Located are signals and the on and off light on the USB-C area. Charging the unit's going to show a red indicator. Turning the unit on will be a red, a blue, and signal bar strength. Turn the unit on by switching the switch to the on. A red light, signal strength, and pairing. Please download the UCON 4G Video Scouter application. Open, follow the steps provided. The app is open, hit the plus to add the device. Yukon will like to use Bluetooth. Access camera, scan the QR symbol. Blue light is currently on. Next, connect to your local network, name it, and devices online. Press on the picture and allowed to use the microphone, collects the video and live feed. A little latency where we can adjust the volume level by sliding, adjust the brightness level by going up and down, switching the SDXC card, muting sound, taking snapshot, talk to the camera, record, and others. We have here is a setting. We open up settings and we have device name, capture mode, we have video and picture mode. We can flip the image, storage management, vision mode, normal and night mode, PIR trigger intervals up to 30 minutes, activity detection, we have high, medium, low, and alarm area that we can draw. We have a scheduled setting, a device alarm recording time up to 20 seconds, 5, 10, 20, power frequency, anti-flicker, LED indicator, synchronization time, reset, and volume settings. We can zoom in by double tapping, 3 zooms. We could pinch zoom and add additional devices. Now that we've gone over the trail cam, we're going to set up 4G that you can monitor live feed and see activities through your smartphone worldwide. Place it anywhere imaginable. We're going to go set up and show you what live feed and or animals that trigger the camera. We're hooked up. Afternoon sun, the camera, see what it could capture in the evening hours. We'll come back and see what it looks like. The trail cam. You can see what's on the unit, full screen, and more. So we got the trail cam capturing the moments. Place it in the trees, wall mount it, anywhere you need to see if wildlife are watching. It is ran wirelessly over 4G, can be viewed anywhere.